Okay, so we have this problem, and I want to find the distance between these 2 points. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label them, and I'm going to say this is my first point. This is the x coordinate and the y, so this will be my first one. And then this will be my second. So that's x2, y2. Then I'm going to go to my distance formula. D equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Then I'm going to plug everything in. So my x2, that's -3. My x1, that's -8. And my y2 is 7. And my y1 is -4. Then I'm going to, add them. I'm going to subtract them. So -3 minus a negative, that's the same as plus a positive. So -3 minus 8, that's going to give me 5 to the second power. Then 7, again, minus a negative, that's the same as plus a positive. So 7 plus 4 is going to give me 11 to the second power. We're taking the square root of that. So 5 to the second power is 25, plus 11 to the second power is 121. So I'm going to finish this up here. So 25 plus 121, that's going to give me 146. I'm taking the square root. So the square root of 146 is going to give me approximately 12